Welcome to my weekly Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Today's video is all about paper crafting. I'm here to share how easy it is to make a 3D project. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial, and I would love to see you shop with me. Oh my gosh, isn't this the cutest thing ever? I just love little boxes, look. So this is housing some Moroccan oil. So I'm a hairstylist, and this is hair oil you put in your hair. It helps for all hair types. Wouldn't recommend it on super fine hair, but it's a lovely oil that you put on your hair. It adds more shine and malleability, and it takes, you know, dry second day hair and makes it look pretty and smells good. So I thought this would be just a great little gift to give to some of my clients. So I wanted to share with you how to make it, because these boxes are super cute, for one. For two, I'm using up some of my designer series paper. This is Tutti Frutti 6x6 designer series paper, and I cut it down into strips, and I just put it on the box a little differently. And look at what the different colors. This is Peekaboo Peach, this is Sweet Sugar Plum, and this is Bermuda Bay. Now these little bows are going bye-bye, I believe, or they might already be bye-bye, but I just thought they were super cute. And then I put a little square on the top. So cute, right? This is Peekaboo Peach, and it is 5.5 by 4.5. So on the long side, so on the 5.5 side, I'm going to score at 1/2, 1.5, 4, and 5. Turn it round, and on the short side, I'm going to cut score at 1/2, 1.5, 2.5. 3.5. All right. I am burnishing all of my score lines. Okay. Now with my little paper snips, I'm going to cut away some. So with the smallest row here, I'm going to cut on the second score line and cut all the way down. So I'm cutting off a square and a rectangle. And then on this one, I'm going to cut all 4 away. So now I'm going to cut up on all the score lines. All right, so basically this is the I don't know how to explain this. The seam I always like at the back. So this is the lid at the back. So these 2 pieces are going to be our side flaps, and this piece is going to go. So I'm going to remove that completely. And then on these 2 pieces here, I'm just going to cut them in half, cut the large square in half, and then I'm going to wedge. Same with this one here, in half, and then wedge. Now, oh, and we have to wedge the lip as well. Okay, so basically these, we already cut the piece out for the bottom. So basically these 2 pieces are going to be look exactly like that, the tab. I don't know if I can, My lips are not working today. My words are not working today. I will hover, or I'll just show you so that maybe you can do a screenshot or something if you wanted to make something similar. Okay. That's what you should have. Now, I have a 3/4 inch punch. I actually bought this 3/4 inch punch just for these like little projects. I'm going to cut a little lip out of there. It's a fingernail hole. I'm going to take my fast fuse, run it down that 1/2 inch. I'm going to fold it over, and this side gets folded over there. So if you have any extra paper there, it means that you might not have scored it or cut it correctly, and this is the time to shore it up. This is the bottom piece, and I'm going to put my oil in. It's always easier. Super cute, right? Just a little, it's a 1-inch box. Like it's, well, it's taller, but... All right, so here's some more Sweet Sugar Plum, or pardon me, Tutti Frutti Designer Series paper. I started, so I wanted to find, okay, there we go. So I started probably about 1/4 inch from the bottom. And then, yeah, I just wrapped it around pretty easy. I don't know why I'm drawn to this. I love circles. I also love squares and boxes, and I do like circles though, just in general, like the bokeh thing. Loved it. All right, so I have one little extra piece, and I'm gonna have to measure that one. I forgot. I think it's 3/4 inch square. Let me just double check. So, no, it is 7/8 square. So it's the little tick mark just under that 1 inch mark. So you get a little border on the top. And then these lovely little backings are these bows. And sometimes I notice that sometimes these little bows, they don't stick very well. So I'm going to open, make sure that I have a little lip under there, and then I'm gonna see this little guy here. I'm gonna stuff him under the paper, so it really is gonna get caught. All right, look at all the different colors, right? Oh my god, so cute. Like, it really does go very well with all of those colors. Like, yeah, I can't get enough of it. Super cute. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll catch you again soon. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.